If you need a light, thin and portable laptop, then take a look at the ZED AIR laptop. This 14.1-inch gadget is 16.2 mm thin and weighs about 1.5 kgs. The US-based company known for manufacturing laptops, tablets and smartphones has come up with this light gadget. It was easy to use and very convenient to carry because of its weight. The Intel Celeron processor with 6 GB RAM is pretty fast. The laptop comes with 500 GB storage and 2 megapixel camera. It has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity and a couple of USB ports. It has a strong and thin body and is perfect for students and digital nomads. The only thing that annoyed us a bit was the sound that comes while pressing the trackpad or mouse, which makes us feel that the machine might be a bit flimsy. Overall, the laptop has a strong performance and priced at 899 dirhams makes it a very good deal. Vitika, Dubai Dates, UAE.